drawdown. Yeah, we can. So it's 2 point something dollars now, like half of our capital. It's been strained. 50% of our balance is being strained right now. So let's hold. Let's hold. All this is to confuse you and make you buy in this market. As in for this moment, this very moment, all this is doing is to make you doubt your sell position and to take buys. So if you experience FOMO with that forceful upward thrust, you'd have taken buys, saying, I'm gonna miss out, this is leaving me behind, not knowing that you are entering a buy at the most extreme point where your drawdown is going to be greater than even your actual entry. So it has taken away your profit already. No matter what happens in the markets, your profit is gone. That's if you survive. So the best thing we would have done is to wait at the peaks to take our sells. But because we're not so disciplined, we enter too early. Sincerely speaking. So, but then our timing was wrong, in the sense that if we had taken it from the peaks, that would have been a better time. We would have been waiting for moves like this. Though our timing was wrong, but I believe our bias is correct. And if you ask me, I think bias comes before timing if risk management is involved. If you have your risk management well captured, then your bias is more important than your timing. Your timing may never be correct because some parts of the market is just for the market. Like I used to say, you don't want to be taking what is for Caesar. There are some parts of the market that is just for Caesar. So that's why it's important to have your risk management in place so that you can afford to give Caesar what is for Caesar. Like in this case now, all these pull-ups, drawdowns, you can't really determine whether or not you will experience it. So that one is for Caesar. It's for the forex market. It's for the market. It's for the market. So I'm going to pause this video and then come back after a little while. Yeah, so I'm back. Sorry, my wife brought me this, so I had to quickly accept it from her. It's not blood. It's not blood and it's not liver. It's beetroot. Beetroot. I don't know if you know that plant. It's a root plant. It's called beetroot. So that's what it is. Don't ask me. I don't know the health benefit. My wife knows better. Although I can taste other things in it. I can taste berries, ginger, apple, think that's as far as I can go. Can't pick any other thing. Those are the distinct tastes I could pick. So let it be here while we watch the markets go in our favor. You can see this market is really stubborn. It doesn't want us to take this sell trade. It's trying to make us buy. It's a classic example. FOMO makes you feel like it's going up. You join it to go up, then it comes down. Yes, our timing was wrong, but thank God, risk management is already captured. So even if it strips this level, we should still survive. We only lose this market if there's a total reversal to the top side. But from what I'm seeing here, the daily generally is down. Though there's a correction here, there's a pull-up. Today has been a pull-up so far. So we might not even get to that take profits. And then on the 4-hour, there is on an upward trend. It's on the upward trend. What I expect is for a quick pullback for a continuation to the upside before it reverses. I don't think it's reversing yet. So on the 1 hour, it's showing that it wants to do that pullback to take out some liquidity, and this will happen soon. You see, if you look at the 1 hour, you see all these lows neatly arranged. If you put a trend line here, it's so smooth. It's a perfect trend line. So I expect that it's coming to sweep them. We might go as far as this to sweep all these lows to take liquidity for another upward push to support the 4 hour, maybe towards this trend line. So it's this correction that we are trying to catch. So we have to be careful. When this correction begins to happen, it's going to happen fast, most likely. We should take our profit and get out because it may bounce. It may bounce. The reason why I would say we should take our profit and get out is when it begins to happen, we may feel the profit will be forever. And that's where greed comes in. You begin to hold when you're supposed to get out of the trade. You begin to hold. It's crazy. The psychology in trading is mad. Fear comes in when you're supposed to take a trade, but because you're afraid, you go away, or the market is against you. You're supposed to take the loss and get out so that you don't lose your whole capital, but you're afraid. So you keep watching it until it wipes out your accounts. That's happened to me. So I'm speaking from experience. Then greed is another thing. The way greed happens is you're in profit. The market is telling you that it's time to get out based on your bracket of trade, based on your risk management, your risk tolerance, and the market structure. Because if that market structure changes, your whole profit will just disappear. Most likely your profit, your stop loss will be hit, or if you don't have a stop loss, like we are not trading with stop loss right now, it will take your whole position into drawdown, into minus, which may even eventually wipe you. So remember, we are trading with a small capital and we are trading a small margin. So once we are in profits like that, and you see the market structure, it's telling you that this is exhausted, you should just get out. It's only greed that makes us hold. We keep holding when we are supposed to get out. So that may likely happen here. That's why I'm saying this. The way these 1 hour bars are arranged, you see those lows, they're so closely aligned. This is like a trend line there. There's liquidity there. So it might want to quickly grab it and move up, because the 4 hour, look at the 4 hour, is progressing up. Do you understand what I'm doing? So now that's why I just want to catch this quick. And let me show you. Maybe I should place that trend line so you can see what we're talking about. Look at it in the 15 minutes. You can see that very neat trend line. This is the end of that trend line. So most likely our profits may just be here, which is 0.5. Anything from here, when the market begins to go back up, we get out. So if we trade here, that's 0.5 for this position, and for this position is 0.6. Yeah, and that's $1. 1 point something dollar. You know, that might just be it for us. But if the market says that's it, you need to step out. So in your 5 minutes, you can see that trend line, that liquidity. So what I expect is for it to take out all this liquidity. It's going to come within this range here, somewhere. And then it will be time for us to get out. So we have to prepare our minds to get out. Because when it moves, you feel like, wow, and you think it's going to be forever. No, it's not forever. It's not forever. Look at your 4-hour chart. It's upward. So you have to prepare your mind before it begins to happen. If you don't have a prepared mind and it starts happening, most likely you will not get out. You will feel that it's forever. How do they say it? Roses are forever. What do they say? Something they say something is forever. And you feel it's going to live happily ever after. No. It will exhaust. And when it does, it's going to move back up so quick. So please remind me, maybe when we get there and I'm getting overtaken by greed, please shout into my ears, get up, get up. So you remind me in case I forget. So we are still in this market. Let's watch. One thing I've noticed about this syrup is that it makes my bowels move. And that movement lasts for like 2-3 days. Yeah. How I know is my investment in the toilet. I don't want to call it what it is. My contributions to the convenience begins to come in this color. I know it's not blood because this color is different from blood. You can see this is ox blood, like Tony red. It's not red, so this is not blood color. So it's not blood. It's actually this. And I noticed I don't see it till after almost 24 hours later. Like when I'm taking it now, maybe like 24 hours later, then it begins to show up, and then like for 2-3 days my bowels move with that color. I don't know if you other head venom. Maybe I should even research it. I think I should research what this does. Maybe I should research what this does. I believe there are more health benefits that will make it beneficial for the body. It's good to research it so that one can know the frequency of intake and the combination that is safe for the money. I think I should start. I guess my wife already knows. So I'll just find out from her. Hope I'm not making you feel like taking some. Maybe in the next video I will ask my wife to come explain to you how it's done. I'm done. So let's keep this summary. Okay, back to the chart. So what's happening? The market is still in this region, playing around. This is a 5 minutes chart. Still dancing around. Man. Once it violates our premise, we get out. So, but for now, let's see what 15 minutes is doing. Yeah, this consolidation is really strong. It's been doing this for a long time now. So I expect it to sweep this whole area. Maybe come anywhere below this line. Then we may have to exit at that point. Hopefully we hit our targets. Let me show you our target again. On our $5 account, today's target is $2.5. You can see it here. For a Monday, that's our first day. Today is not Monday actually, but today's the first day. So I did this code just for this particular trading idea. So if by the end of today we have $2.5 on our $5, our 50% target is hit. So we keep going. Ideally, the capital, the profits plus capital of a particular day becomes the capital of the next day. So we target 50% of the new capital. So tomorrow's capital will be $7.5. Then we'll be going for 50% of it. Do you understand? This is what I mean. If this capital becomes 7.5, if it becomes 7.5, okay, I'll have to impute this. So let me see. Actual growth. Sorry. So let's say 2.5. These are actual targets. So now the next day will be 7.5, you see. So tomorrow's targets will be 3.75. Do you understand? So we'll find out. By the time we get whatever we get today, we'll input it here. So we can't really tell yet. Let's take this out. So let's take our profits first. Let's go back to the charts. Let's see what's happening. Now the market is dropping. At last, it's beginning to come down. So let's watch. Once it sweeps this liquidity and asks us to leave, we leave. It may not get to our TP. It may or it may not. Our TP is $4 at this point. You may not get there. So we'll leave by markets. So let's just watch the charts. Behold. Sorry, let me pause and come back. I want to quickly check on something. I'll be back. So, I'm back. You can see it's about to beat that line, the lowest point of the liquidity. So let's be sensitive. I believe at that point we would have hit our target for the day. But let's be sensitive. Let's watch. This is a 5 minutes chart. We are looking for his inability to push lower. This next candle will tell us if it cannot proceed, cannot progress more than that. Let's see what's happening in 1 minute. Look at this. You know, if you were here, you'd have been so worried. You'd have started buying. If you were in the 1 minute chart. That's why you have to be careful when you're trading. You can see that's where the liquidity was taken. And then, no, let's use something from here. You can see the order flow has changed here. It's dropping now. It's dropping now. This one. And there's another sell here. There's another sell off at this point. Let's see, 1 minute. We're gonna sell off here. So that's 1 minute. So it means our 5 minutes may prevail. That level. So let's hold a little more. Struggling to break that level. It's really struggling. But if you check very well, there's an order block in 5 minutes here, right above that 1 minute high. There's an order block here. There's another block here. Here. You can see it. Another block right here in the 5 minutes. So there's a tendency of it being tested. It's May. So the market goes back there. It doesn't mean we are not going to prevail. We can just give it a chance and see. Let's not be too quick to give up. Let's not be too quick to give up. Let's give it a little more room and see if we can prevail. We're still holding. I'm finding it difficult to concentrate on this other work. Please, it's difficult to do two different things at the same time. It's not easy actually. So, and with the way this market is moving now, it seems like my interest is towards watching it fulfill, so we can just get out and keep our profits for the day. Remember, our target for today is 50% of the capital. If it gives us more than that, that's good. Well, I suggest we don't get too greedy. So once we hit targets, it's good to just take it and relax. And remember that you're not planning to make all the whole trades in one day. I used to do that, and most times I regret it. Most times I actually give back money, even if I don't lose all my profits, but I end up giving back some money to the market. It's just a great dynamic in the human being. So if you look at our positions now, here you have 0.92, this has 1.84. So if you add those two, we have 2.5 already. This is 1.1. That's more than 2.5 already. It has crossed our daily target. So let's watch any opportunity to get out now. I think we should just take the outs. So what we can do is go to 1 minute. 1 minute will give us a good idea of when to get out. And if you look at the chart, it has beat that liquidity level already. This was the liquidity level. This line, it has beat it. So once this order flow changes, order flow in 1 minute, it means we are supposed to be getting out. Let's check our 5 minutes chart also. When we notice any weakness, let's use this line. This is the last stop. This beats. Any candle that can't beat further, that can't cross further, means we should get out. Understand? So what we are looking for now, we are looking out for is 1 minute's inability to create more order flow downward. If you notice here, it was able to beat this level, It has beaten here. And it's unable to progress. We get out. We're in profit now. We need to be sensitive to get out at the right time.